All right, folks, a little real estate market update for you and my outlook on the economy, or where we stand now. So it looks like things are picking up in the real estate market. People I speak to in the mortgage space as well as in the real estate space are talking about more activity, hearing of multiple biddings on listings, properties going for well over asking down in the GTA area. Up here in the Blue Mountains, we're seeing a little bit of that. It's not common though. We are seeing multiples. That is common, but going over asking is not. With regards to the economy, I still think we're in the, what I call the calm before the storm. Things are nice. The Bank of Canada has said that the rates are on hold at 4.5%. They're going to remain there for a while. So everyone's a little more confident in making some big purchases like a house because they feel that the interest rates are not going any higher, which is great. And if you look at affordability, I mean, in terms of mortgage payments, with house prices off where they are, your monthly payments are roughly in line with what they were back when the market was much higher about 18 months ago. Just thanks to lower house prices and offset by higher interest rates. So in terms of affordability, not much has changed there. So the big thing that has changed is people's confidence. They feel more confident making purchases now, which is great. So the market's come back to life. Do I think that's going to continue? Yes, I do. I think, as I've said previously in the last couple months, I was calling for a bottom in February, March. I also said that the media would start printing huge year-over-year drops in the real estate market, which we've seen, and that'll be the bottom. And I think that we have seen the bottom. So this uptick in the real estate market, I think, is here to stay. With regards to the calm before the storm, when the economy does cave or turn over, the central banks will react. They'll cut interest rates, and which will help and support the real estate market even more. So don't be afraid of that if you're thinking about buying a house or buying another house to add to your portfolio. I think you want to look at this market as coming back to life, and it's here to stay, which is a good sign. Whether or not these are good prices depends on the house you're looking at and the market you're in, but I think there's great value out there now. Like I said, depends on where you're looking, but things that are selling most quickly right now is stuff that are turnkey, beautiful properties, move-in ready. Things that are kind of the diamond in the rough, they're not moving as quickly. Anyways, that's my update, that's my outlook. Have a great day. Bye.